Hello, 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 my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds. How is everyone? Good, I hope. You guys, I've got Daddy Diamond back, and I will tell y'all about that in the next video, okay? But right now in this video, because I am an influencer now for Rossi Nails, they have an amazing dip powder system, you guys, and they want to ask me to be a part of their influencer ambassador programs, okay? So what I'm doing today is they sent me this Glam Your Nails, and it come in a little tiny box with this foil over it, okay? And this is what they sent me. So this is the unboxing for the Rossi dip powders. So Glam Your Nails, you guys. It's a mystery box by Rossi Nails. So let's check it out, shall we? So I'm going to open this up for you guys and show y'all what they sent me. And then in the next video, guys, you're going to see how to use their system, okay? So, they sent me this really little tiny thing of the Rossi dip powder in a beautiful pink. Very nice pink. Y'all know Diamond loves a bubblegummy pink. And that's what this is, a bubblegum pink. Okay, let me just see, guys, if I can get into this without making a mess. My goodness, I hate when they put these things on dip powder. Only because normally, guys, it's going to make a mess if you're not very, very careful. Let's see if we can get this out without it going everywhere on me. No, we can't. Okay. All I can say, guys, is when you try to take this off, it's going to be a complete disaster. Makes me so mad. Because it's full of glitter, but it's very pretty, you guys. It's full of glitter. Okay, so very, very pretty. See that? It's got a lot of shimmer in it. So this is the unboxing that I'm doing right now, you guys. And this little jar is, let me just see here. It's a mess, I'll tell you that. This little jar is 10 grams, okay? 10 grams. All right. Diamond has to clean her whole thing now. I've got glitter everywhere. Glitter everywhere. All right, and they give you 3 bottles is what they've given me, guys, okay? And let's see. They've got a top coat, an activator, and a basic coat. Okay, guys, of course you need these 3 are essential. Now, some kits come with the with an oil and then like your prep, you know, like your dehydrator, maybe a primer, that sort of thing. But this kit did not, okay? So the base coat's going to be, I don't know if they're marking this as number 1 because I'm sure there's more to this system probably, but let's check it out. It's number 2. So see, there's probably a prep that actually comes before this base, but it did not come with mine, okay? So you're getting a number 2, and then your number 3 is going to be your activator, guys, and then your number 4 is your top coat. So I would imagine number 5 is going to be, number 5 would be your cuticle oil, okay? And then number 1 is going to be a prep that's missing. But in my kit, it comes the basic, and this is all you need to do a dip nail with. The others are just, you know, well, you do have to put your own little thing. Oh, guys, okay, so my lid is broke. Rossi, I'm sorry. My lid is broke. Y'all see this? Yep, that lid, and this is on what? This is on the activator, guys. Crud. Another thing about the Rossi dip, I just want to let y'all know, is that if you do not wipe your brushes after almost every one of these, they will harden on you. Because I did do a dip powder from them a different time before this, and I had a problem with that. It automatically hardened my brush. So you guys make sure that you do not, you know, make sure that you wipe your brushes, all I'm going to tell y'all. But this is broke, Rossi. I'll have to get in touch with the lady that I'm working with, and I forget her name, but we'll get in touch and reach out and try to get another activator from her. I just noticed it was loose. I don't even know there's anything in here. I think there is. I'm hoping to God there is, guys, so that I can do this next thing for you guys, but that's it. This is a short little clip. I just wanted to show y'all what Rossi sent me. Thank you very much, Rossi. And I'll be back to do the dip nails for y'all. Okay, so that one dip nail, just to show y'all how to use this. Okay, I'll see y'all again.